On any given job, on any given day, anywhere in the world, there's the potential for something special to happen. This is your moment, when it's just you and the weld. Welder and machine come together, working as one, fused, focused. And the welding machine that makes this moment is the Reimagined Miller Dynasty, breaking down the barriers between you and the weld, giving you more control over its best-in-class performance, with enhanced capabilities at your fingertips. Now, you can confidently transfer knowledge from one welder to the next, so more welders can have this moment. Miller Dynasty, reimagined for your pursuit of perfection.